Community Pride on 8 News Now is sponsored by our Community Pride partners, Finley Automotive Group, Southwest Medical, part of Optum Care, and Silver State Schools Credit Union.
Southwest Medical, the sponsors of this next segment, are continuing their 50th anniversary celebration by shining light on another local organization, and this one takes care of our animals.
Welcome to Las Vegas Now, Dr. Zarath of Southwest Medical, Hillary Gray of the Animal Foundation. We are still celebrating Southwest Medical's 50th anniversary, bringing partnerships together to help the community. So, Dr. Zarath, let's start with you. What do you do for Southwest Medical?
I joined Southwest Medical, a team of healthcare providers, back in 2018, and I specialize in family practice. In addition to being a family physician, I also serve as a core faculty at our family medicine residency program, where we train 30 young physicians to join the workforce after 3 years of their training. Of course, we're not alone in caring for our communities, and that is why we are taking this year, Southwest Medical's 50th anniversary, as an opportunity to share with other community partners who have had a strong history of giving back to our community.
Well, that brings us to Hillary. Hillary, tell us a little bit more about the Animal Foundation and what you guys do for our pets here locally.
First, really want to thank Southwest Medical for their support. What a wonderful partner. The Animal Foundation is a nonprofit organization, and we run one of the largest regional animal shelters in the whole country. We cover all of the Las Vegas Valley, and much like a public hospital, we are the public shelter. So we take in all animals. We see all kinds of conditions when animals come in. Very unfortunately, sometimes we see abuse cases or animals in need of medical that hasn't been addressed. So our mission is really a life-saving mission to make sure that every animal that comes to us gets loving care and hopefully gets a pathway to a real strong forever home.
Wow, well, thank you so much for all that you guys do at the Animal Foundation. How can people help?
The first thing you can do is you can adopt. Summer is coming, it's very busy, and so we're seeing a lot more animals in the shelter. That also means that there are hundreds of animals that you can meet and open your heart to and take into your home. A lot of them already, more senior animals, a little bit older, that have some training, that have been around kids and different folks, so that you know that they'll be an instant wonderful family member. There are some others that are going to need a little bit more of a loving touch. The second thing is fostering. If you can foster a pet, if you're not ready to adopt, we really would like to get as many pets out of the shelter quickly as possible and into kind of a home environment. And fostering is just one of the many ways that people can volunteer with us. We have a ton of volunteer jobs in the shelter, everything from administrative things to working with our behavior and enrichment team to being a part of that adoption process. Finally, since we're a nonprofit, donations are very important.
Wow, well, I know for sure, Hillary, someone out there is watching and wants to help after that explanation. So how can they do that? Is there a website or somewhere they should go to find more information?
Yes, we have a website that's full of resources. It's animalfoundation.com. You can find out how to volunteer. You can donate. You can browse all of our adoptable animals and hopefully find your next forever friend.
Here's to the next 50 years of both of your organizations. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you again to Southwest Medical for sponsoring that segment and being one of our Community Pride partners. All right,